sweet and sour chicken. We're going to need some chicken, a red pepper, a yellow pepper, some tomato ketchup, an egg, some white vinegar, some corn flour, brown sugar, a bit of salt, some pineapple chunks and some rice. I want to cut the chicken into small-ish pieces, not massive, but the smaller they are, the quicker they're going to cook. Now we want to get our egg, and we're separating it. We only need the white. We don't need the yolk at all. So separate that and then throw away the yolk. And just give that a wee mix round, just with a fork for a minute or two. And we're going to use that to coat all of the chicken. So we'll just empty the chicken into the bowl with the egg white, and we'll give that a good mix round. Next we want to empty all of the corn flour into a bowl, and to that we'll also add half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a mix up, and then we'll dip the chicken in the corn flour and salt. Take our chicken and just pop a few pieces into the corn flour at a time, and then take each bit and just pop it on a plate to the side. You should now have something that looks a little bit like a bowl of Turkish delight. Next we're going to start with making the sweet and sour sauce. 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, and half a teaspoonful of salt. So we want to add all of these ingredients into a bowl, pop in all the vinegar and all the tomato ketchup. And then we'll open the tin of pineapples and add the pineapple juice to the mixture as well. The easiest way is just to open just a little bit of it, like that, and then just pour in all of the juice and give that a mix. Next we want to cut up our peppers, slice it in half, and then you want to just cut out the middle, throw that away, make sure none of the seeds are left behind. You are probably only going to need half of each pepper unless you really want more, but half should be enough. Your ginger, you want to peel your ginger with a knife, and it's just a case of, just the same as peeling a potato, and you just want to get all of that skin off, and these bits at the end you want to cut them out as well. You want to finely grate the ginger, so get yourself a little grater, and that should be enough. We're only needing a teaspoonful. Next we're going to sear the chicken, so we need to get the hob up full. We want to get the pan really hot, just putting a very small amount of oil in, just enough to coat the pan and no more. And we'll give that a couple of minutes to get really hot. It should be almost smoking. So what we want to do is take our chicken and put in piece by piece. We don't want to crowd the pan. This wants to cook for about a minute aside. We're not really cooking the chicken, we're just searing it and getting some colour on it. Turn all of your chicken over. Chicken has a light colour to it. Take it off of the heat. We'll just let that sit for a wee while we prepare the bait. Our pan back on the ring. And we're going to put just a little bit more oil in here. And then we're going to add our peppers and our ginger. Cooking our peppers will turn the Hop down till about 3. Then go to peppers. Put some in ginger as well. And this doesn't need to cook for very long. Maybe a minute, 2 minutes tops. Next we're going to add our sauce. Underpin the pineapples. And give that a good stir round. Then add chicken. We're going to let this simmer for about 2 or 3 minutes. As you can see, this has been simmering for 2 or 3 minutes and it's reduced down really nicely. So now that's ready to serve. There we have sweet and sour chicken with boiled rice. Enjoy!